Hi, my name is Leah McCarthy, and I'm a Presidential Student Ambassador. Today, I'm going to show you the things I wish I knew about my dining plan when I first got to campus. With meal plans, dining dollars, and on-campus restaurants, WVU has you covered with whichever meal plan you choose. If you're on campus and a residential student, you are required to select one of the many meal plans that WVU offers. Each plan comes with a varying number of meal swipes and dining dollars. Non-residential students have the option to buy dining dollars and meal swipes, but they're not mandatory. Students can use their meal swipes at one of 3 dining halls across campus, 2 downtown and 1 on Evansdale. Each of these dining halls are open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Thursday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Fridays, and 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. on weekends. Students who are out of swipes or do not have a meal plan are always free to buy breakfast, lunch, or dinner at any of the 3 locations. In addition to dining halls, students with meal plans have the opportunity to get food from a number of restaurants on campus using their dining dollars by swiping their student ID card at any participating location. Dining dollars are administered to your student account at the beginning of each semester. If you still have extra dining dollars at the end of fall semester, they will carry over to spring semester, but any unused at the end of spring semester will disappear. With a meal plan, up to 2 of your weekly swipes can be used at select on-campus restaurants. These cover around $10 and vary location to location. When I was a freshman, I would use my retail swipes from my Go Anytime plan to get milkshakes from the Chick-fil-A at the Mountain Lair without having to use any of my dining dollars. If you do plan on using a retail swipe, make sure to let your cashier know that you want to use one. Fresh To Go Market is another way to use your dining dollars. These on-campus stores offer snacks, fresh food, and meals to go. Fresh To Go Market was one of my favorite go-tos when I lived downtown my freshman year because I could use a few of my dining dollars on snacks, candy, and drinks when I was hungry between classes. Mounty Bounty is another payment option for both on-campus and off-campus dining. Simply load funds into your account and then let your cashier know that you want to use Mounty Bounty at checkout. Some frequently asked questions. Is the food good? Yes, it is. I found myself using fewer and fewer dining dollars as the semester went on because the dining halls had plenty of healthy and tasty options. What do I do if I'm hungry after the dining halls close? On weeknights, the dining halls close at 8 p.m., so there's plenty of time to get dinner after your classes end. But if you do miss dinner, Fresh To Go Market is open late and has your back. What if I run out of dining dollars? If you run out of dining dollars, you can always pay with cash or card. Make sure to budget them evenly throughout the semester. Our many meal plans and campus dining options are sure to satisfy all your food-related needs so you have the energy to study. Between the 3 dining halls, 3 Fresh To Go Markets, more than 15 on-campus restaurants, 2 retail swipes per week, and 4 ways to pay for food on campus, WVU has you covered to make sure you stay full and healthy while on campus. Thanks for listening, and let's go Mountaineers!